Ginseng is a very common oriental medicine or oriental herbal supplement. People in China, Korea and Japan have been consuming it for thousands of years, and it is claimed to have a lot of healthy benefits. Now, the main health benefit of ginseng is to increase blood circulation. So it is widely believed that the more blood circulation you have, the quicker your wounds repair, and it also acts as an antioxidant, prolonging life. Now, these days, you can actually find ginseng in skincare as well. Now, in today's video, we'll be reviewing two different ginseng serums to see which one actually comes out on top. However, before we continue with the video, guys, I realized that most of us, you guys, are not subscribers to the channel, so if you do not mind smashing the subscribe button, it will help with the channel tremendously, pushing education channels like this to more people like yourself. Great day, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dr Ingky, your digital skin doctor. Welcome to Skynfyx, the platform whereby we review products, and in this segment, we'll be doing a head-to-head challenge. Now, head-to-head challenge is whereby we take two different products that share the same skincare ingredient. And what we do is we put them side by side, compare them, and see which one is the better ingredient. Now, over the past couple of years, more and more ginseng products have been coming into the market, especially through South Korean beauty products. There are a lot of studies that shows that ginseng is a potent antioxidant. And when applied to the skin, it actually protects your skin against UV radiation, primarily UVB. It also can speed up collagen repair, means that it will help reduce wrinkles over a long period of time. Now, of course, ginseng alone is insufficient, so what we have noticed is a lot of ginseng products actually contain other antioxidants as well to help boost the properties of ginseng. Hey guys, before we continue with the video, have you guys consumed ginseng before? And let me know, what do you think of drinking ginseng on a regular basis? Now, for today, we'll be reviewing two ginseng serums.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Now, first up, from the packaging itself, it shows you where is the ginseng harvested from. It's from a place called Jiri Mountain in South Korea. Now, for those who do not read Korean, there's this word here with some numbers here. Now, it is actually the red ginseng extract. It is up to 8% of red ginseng extract which is available in this serum. So, the red ginseng extract is a potent antioxidant, and that itself gives that reddish kind of hue of color to the ginseng serum. Red ginseng extract has been proven to prevent or reduce the radiation effects of UVB on mice. That means that there is a potential that it can actually reduce the effects of UVB radiation on your skin as well. On top of just red ginseng extract, it also contains an ingredient called phellodendron bark extract. Now, the phellodendron bark extract is another botanical extract which is shown to have antibacterial properties, means that it helps reduce acne. On top of just reducing acne, it also can help reduce the amount of infection on your skin caused by improper skincare use. The phellodendron bark extract is also an anti-inflammatory, so not only does it reduce acne, it also reduces inflammation, hence reducing the blemishes that is caused by acne. Now, to boost the antioxidant properties of the red ginseng extract, they've also inserted green tea extract inside. Now, green tea extract we've covered previously before. Great antioxidant used by the Japanese in their daily consumption, whereby they drink it and they apply it, and it has been proven that it helps reduce or slow down effects of aging. Now, with all said and done with this particular serum, it does have some hydrating factors as well. The two main hydrating factors or two main hydrating skincare ingredients are glycerin and hyaluronic acid. Alright, now that's the breakdown of the serum itself. Now, there's a downside to this particular serum, which is its particular smell. Now, due to the fact that it actually contains 8% red ginseng extract, it does come with a potent ginseng smell. Now, this particular smell might be overpowering for some people, especially for those who are not accustomed to Eastern, or I would say Eastern medicine or Oriental medicine. So, like all head-to-head challenge, we're going to rank them in terms of smell, texture, price, and effectiveness. For one, The smell, it's only a 2 out of 5 stars because it's a little bit overpowering. This might be a little bit too much for some people. So 2 out of 5 in terms of smell. Now in terms of texture, it is easy to absorb, alright? It's not oily. I would say in terms of texture, I would give it a 4 out of 5. Now, price-wise, this is a 30 ml and it retails for somewhere around the price of about 100 ringgit, which is about 25 US dollars. Not the cheapest of all serums, but neither is it too expensive, especially if you're looking for something which has anti-aging and antioxidant properties. So for price, I'm going to give it a 3 out of 5. Now, in terms of effectiveness, now it is effective especially for someone with oily skin, acne-prone skin, aging skin, normal skin, and even combination skin. So basically, almost everyone can actually use this particular serum. So for effectiveness, it is a 4 out of 5. Now giving a grand total of 3.25 stars out of 5. Now for the second serum that we'll be reviewing is the Beauty of Joseon's Repair Serum Ginseng with Snail Mucin. Now on the packaging itself, alright, it is already stated that it contains about 63% of Panax ginseng root water. Now, not root extract, root water. So usually root water means that it is distilled water and the water is distilled from the extract itself. Now, it's not as potent as the extract, but it is good because it absorbs much quicker. On top of that, it also contains 3% snail mucin. Now, snail mucin is a potent antioxidant which helps with skin repair. It is also an anti-inflammatory to reduce skin redness, and snail mucin, we've covered in the past as well, snail mucin actually helps for people with sensitive skin. So if you're someone who is suffering from acne, from scars, and from sensitive skin, choosing a product with snail mucin actually helps your skin accept or absorb the active ingredients much more effectively. Now this particular serum also contains 2% niacinamide. Niacinamide, it's a great skincare ingredient. It's one of the superstars of all skincare ingredients because it reduces acne, increases collagen, is anti-aging, it protects your skin against UV radiation, a lot of things all around. So when you combine all these three together, which is the ginseng root extract, which has antioxidant properties, along with snail mucin, which has anti-inflammatory properties, and you add in a niacinamide, vitamin B3 with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, this tree itself, it is suitable for almost all skin types and help repair all skin types, from acne-prone skin all the way to damaged, dehydrated skin. Now, another thing that is available in this particular serum is licorice root extract. Now, licorice is a skin brightener. So for those who are suffering from dull skin, licorice will help brighten your skin much quicker. And as for hydration, it contains sodium hyaluronic, which is HA, along with glycerin. Now, the good thing about this particular serum is it actually contains all the extract, which we all mentioned just now, with all the active ingredients. Now, the downside of this particular serum is that it's not as potent as the first serum, the I'm from Ginseng Serum, because this one is actually ginseng water instead of the root extract. That means that if you're looking for something with antioxidant to reduce wrinkles, you might not see the effectiveness as quickly as the first serum, which we've covered just now. Now, for the Beauty of Joseon's Repair Serum Ginseng, alright, as for smell, it's more bearable. It does have a little bit of the Eastern Oriental medicinal smell, but not as strong as the first serum. So this one, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. Now, in terms of texture, it's a little bit slightly oilier. Now, it doesn't contain any alcohol and doesn't contain any fragrance, and it absorbs much quicker. But because it's not as thick as the first one, I'm just going to give it a 3 out of 5 because basically it's just a little bit more diluted. In terms of price, this is definitely more affordable. It retails for roughly about 50 to 60 ringgit, which is roughly about 10 to about 15 US dollars for one bottle, which is 30 ml. So for price, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. And in terms of effectiveness, because it's suitable for almost all skin types, for acne-prone skin all the way to dehydrated skin, even though it does not contain as much ginseng root extract as the I'm from Ginseng Serum, I'm still going to give it a 4 out of 5 rating. So overall in total is 3 and 3.25 stars out of 5. So it means that among the two, The beauty of Joseon Serum is definitely my go-to choice. Not only because it's suitable for all skin types, the price point makes it a lot more affordable, and the smell is actually more bearable, especially for someone who doesn't like that herbal medicinal smell. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments below, whether you've used any of these two products before or if you're using any ginseng products. Do not forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and at the same time turn on the notification bell button because we release new videos on a weekly basis. And until next time, I'm Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and always remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed. Are you tired of wasting time and money on your skin but nothing works? We are here to help. Skynfyx is a platform that provides personal care education completely free. Skynfyx is run by skin doctors and skincare experts. You can chat and consult with our skin doctors without ever leaving your home. Other than free advice, Skynfyx also provides tailor-made solutions for your skin problem with customized medical-grade skincare delivered right to your doorstep. Skynfyx, your digital skin doctor.